Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. As you can see, today will be an unboxing video. So I've received La Dompteuse Encagee by Serge Lutens. So I don't have many fragrances from that brand because they are quite special, and I think you really need to enjoy this kind of fragrance. Still, they have some that are really easy to wear, and I believe this one, I hope, I don't know, will be the case. So far I just have La Nuit de Cellophane, Fleur d'Oranger and Jeu de Peau. So these are the ones that I have, and yes, I will take my chance for that one. So this is a blind buy. I read the notes and I thought that, I don't know, that I would be enjoying it, so we'll see. So I believe La Dompteuse Encagee in English means, how do you say that, caged? Tamer, because dompteuse is a tamer, and encagée means in a cage. So yes, I saw the visuals. I will put them there if I can, and I really enjoyed the concept. I found it funny, and what I thought about it is that maybe they tried to take flowers like ylang ylang that are really strong. I believe it's one of the strongest flower in perfumery, and they try to make it softer, maybe less strong. So maybe for people who are used to really strong fragrances from Serge Lutens, maybe they won't like that one, but I believe this is the concept. So I don't know, we'll see, because I never tried that one yet. And the previous one I enjoyed too. It was Fils de Joie, but it was a really strong fragrance. So if you love jasmine and strong jasmine fragrance, maybe you would enjoy that one. So yes, we'll see. I will remove the cellophane, and then yes, I'll give you my first impression then. Okay, so I removed the paper. So this is the classic presentation. Yes, no more information. That's the 50 ml. Yes, and you have the batch code if you need. Yeah, so let's see. Yes, so yes, I will use that for sure. The bottles always come with this. I'm not really fond of it. I would prefer, I believe, that if they just put that and not this, but it's really convenient if you travel. Our first remark, I'm quite surprised by the color of the juice, because I expected something quite, not weak, but from what I heard and the concept of it, I don't know, maybe he played on words and this is the exact opposite. I don't know. We'll see. So I will put the atomizer and I will spray it on the paper, and I will give you my first impressions. Okay, so I just sprayed it on paper. As you can see, my blotter is really stained, so just be careful if you spray it on paper, on your clothes, and if you have a white shirt, for example, I believe this is better to spray it on on your skin. So my first, this is yellow flowers fragrance for sure. There were only 3 notes listed for this on Fragrantica that are frangipani, ylang ylang, and almond. Yes, but the frangipani what I smell the most for sure. This is still quite yeah, it's not really strong. I mean, if they put more ylang ylang, maybe it would be stronger, but yeah, this is really beautiful. My first impression is positive, but we'll see. Yeah, you don't have this, you know, sometimes the yellow flowers, they can turn a bit cloying, you know, not in the sense that it's sweet, but in the sense that the flower in itself can be quite cloying, but it's not the case here. It's really well, let's say, framed and yeah, caged maybe. Yeah, nothing's too strong. Everything is well measured, and there is not a note that is stronger than the other. Well, this is how I smell it for the moment, but yeah, so far it's really refined and a bit exotic for sure, but really pleasant, beautiful. quite feminine. But yes, if you're a man, you enjoy yellow flowers, I believe you would enjoy that one too. Yeah, it's really pretty. It's not the kind of Serge Lutens that is really, I would say, artistic in the sense that is strange, or there's nothing strange with that one in the notes used and the accord. But I really enjoy it. The quality is there for sure. It's maybe, I would say, yeah, maybe a bit common for something created by Serge Lutens, but still the quality is there, and to me it's really beautiful. Yes. I really like that. I'm thinking about, is it reminding me of another fragrance? I don't know, maybe I would have to compare with the ones that I have from Jo Malone, the Frangipani one. But still, I believe that I prefer that one. Okay, I think I will spray it on skin to see if it's a bit different, and I'm coming back. Okay, I've just sprayed it on skin. For sure, be careful, because I don't know if you see where I sprayed it, but it's really brown. So it stained my skin too. And wow, it's nothing compared. For me, it's really better on skin. Oh, it's almost, I wouldn't say bubblegummy, I don't know. Yeah, it has this kind of bubblegum vibe that I can have sometimes with tuberose. And strangely, I have it now on skin, that I didn't have it on paper. Oh, it's really nice. Did I say it was nice? Oh yes, it's really pretty. Oh. Yeah, I believe I really enjoy it. That's a good surprise. It's so beautiful. Yes, it's like, yeah, you put your head inside a huge bouquet of frangipani flowers and ylang-ylang. You're on an exotic island. I don't really have some beachy vibes that you can have with this kind of fragrance, but I don't really have that. I don't have, you know, the sand, the hot skin, this kind of note that you have sometimes with this kind of no coconut, no, you know, just the flowers, beautiful yellow flowers, and a bit, just a little bit gourmand, I believe, in the opening, because it's quite, yeah, I have this bubblegum sensation. That I have less now. Maybe this is because of the almond, but yeah, it's really pretty. Yeah, I really enjoy it. So, well, I believe I will have to try it on skin and to wear it a few times to have a full opinion of it, but my first impression is really good. Hello guys, so this is me from the future. Okay, I finished the video. I was just yeah, cleaning everything and putting my stuff together, and then yes, I smelled the fragrance again on my skin, and I saw that it evolved a bit. So this is an update from the future. And yes, it became a bit more dusty, I would say. It's a bit dusty on my skin, a bit musky, and it became sweeter also on my skin. So yes, I'm really appreciating it. I'm really happy I got it. So it's a, let's say, a successful blind buy so far. And voila, this was just a quick update. See you later. So have you tried that one yet? Is it one that you're interested in? Give me your thoughts. I'm interested. And voilà, I hope to see you soon in my next video. Bye!